A little baby tomato in my greenhouse. Let me take care of you. Let me take care of you. There is something that I gotta tell you at the end of this video. If you guys stick around, I'm gonna be honest with you, it ain't all perfect when it comes to gardening. There are some things that happen and you learn from them. So yeah, guys, stick around and I'll be telling you, because I was literally debating if I should even continue making this video, if I should even post it. So I posted it, obviously, since you guys are watching, and that is all I have to say right now. You guys, let's get into the video. Well, hello everybody, I missed you guys so much. Today is actually Christmas day, which is the summer on about. Why do I guys even have to tell you? You guys already know. But today I will be planting. No, first of all, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas day. You guys are probably gonna see this video later on because I will be recording the progress of the tomatoes that are gonna be growing. And hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas day, as well as a, New Year's coming up. I know I'll be having a good time because my family and I will be celebrating Christmas Day. We'll be celebrating the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ, and I think that's the greatest gift of all. So, in my opinion, and to celebrate today, I decided to plant some tomatoes. I have 3 varieties in front of me right now. These are Mariana's Peace, Prudence Purple, and Quastrelli. I'm not sure if I pronounced that well. Oh well, I'll probably spell it out over here. So, yeah, let's plant, you guys. What do you say? What do you say? Let's plant. So I am in front of my greenhouse right now, and I wanted to show you guys how my tomatoes are doing right now. Right now is actually January 24th, and some of the tomatoes are sending out little true leaves. So cute. You guys want to see them? Let's see them. Let's go right over here on this guy. If he can just focus, there you go. You could see right there. Right there in the middle, little true leaves, and there's one over there too. Right over there. Oh, they're my little babies, you guys. My babies. Babes, my babes. My hair probably look kind of weird right now, but that's okay. Today is February 8th, and my tomato babes already got their true leaves, and I'm gonna be transplanting them. Can you stop? do you want? What do you want from me? Okay. You know, there's a time and a place for everything, and now's not the time, boys. Now's not the time. Chill out. Chill out. I'm gonna be moving my little tomato babies from their plug trays into 6-packs, and then a few of them into like 3-inch pots. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how they be looking like, and then we can start moving them. Yeah, baby. So today is March 20th. I'm currently in the greenhouse, and if you guys hear some noise, that'd be the lawnmower of our neighbors. The same neighbors that be playing that music. Yeah, they be noisy more ways than one, as you guys could hear. But anyhow, so the reason why I was even debating to even continue making this video is because some of my tomatoes, they did not make it. And I have 2 theories as to why. The potting media was super drenched, and that is not okay. And the reason why it was so drenched is because rain got into the soil media, and I did not wait for it to dry, and it was like super drenched. It was so like the plants kind of like did not like it. Second theory of why some of the plants did not make it is because that one time when I was like leaving them in my unheated greenhouse, it was gonna be a frost night, and that was a night that it was like I don't remember how many degrees it was, but it was cold and it was like frosty. And those tomatoes were probably stressed, even though it's in the greenhouse, it's unheated greenhouse, and even though it's like a few degrees higher than it is on the outside, it's still, I think it had an effect on them. But, you know, it could have been both of those reasons, so who knows. Anyhow, those are just my theories, and I'm just keeping it real, guys. I just want to be honest with you, and that it ain't all perfect around. You know, when it comes to gardening journey, you are going to be making some mistakes. There are going to be stuff that's going to be happening, but that should not discourage you from gardening, because it is a learning process. And yeah, it is what it is. It is kind of discouraging, but you learn from it. So yeah, thankfully a lot of them did make it, and actually started some more last month. Some more tomatoes, because you can't really get enough of tomatoes, right? Anyhow, yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how the tomatoes are doing, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's been fun making it, and yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Hope you guys be having a wonderful rest of your day or evening, whatever it is. And yeah, I love you guys. Bye. I be with my tomatoes, yeah. Oh, and this next part right now that's coming up is for my best friend. You know who you are, girl. I love you so much, and Yeah, best believe I do. Best believe, girl, no doubt that I love you so much.